We are Nicholls State University, LSU Health Science Center, School of Medicine, New Orleans Culinary Medicine Program.
And I'm teaching this class along with Allison Gaubert, Dr. Allison Gaubert. And I'm Chef Jana, who's one of the instructors and the director of the Chef John Foles Culinary Institute at Nicholls State University. We have two great students that we're really enjoying these 2 weeks with. We've got Mark. Mark, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hey, I'm Mark. I'm a third-year student at LSU. And first, we just want to say thank you all so much for having us here in Thibodaux. It's definitely been an adventure so far, and looking forward to the rest of the program, so thanks.
Okay. And then we also have...
I'm Mary Grace, and I'm also a third-year medical student at LSU.
So how are you guys enjoying the program so far?
I will say it's been so much fun so far. They said culinary medicine, and I think we both kind of had a preconceived notion of like nutrition and food and how that relates to medicine, but I didn't realize how much hands-on exposure I was going to be able to get in terms of the recipes and like the demonstrations we had with different viscosities of foods for patients that can't eat and swallow. So really been educational so far, been enjoying it.
Okay.
So in our morning lectures, we talk about nutrition and different strategies that we can use for patients with different disease states. I'm curious, how do you guys feel like this is filling a gap or a need that you feel like might be lacking in your medical education?
I feel like we touch on the different vitamins and maybe disease states that vitamins are associated with, but beyond that, there isn't as much emphasis on how do we tell our patients what to do when they're diagnosed with diabetes or hypertension or any of the other disease states where nutrition and diet really does make an effect on their lifestyle. And so I think that's something that I'm getting introduced to and I'm excited to learn more about in the future.
A part of our lectures as well, we also talk about lifestyle medicine and why movement and exercise and mental health is all important. And I know you guys got a tour of the Wellness Center at Thibodaux Regional Health System. So tell me your thoughts on that facility.
I think it's a wonderful facility. I've been going in the morning because personally I'm a morning person, but it's been great and really encouraging to see people of all ages visiting the Wellness Center and really taking advantage of prioritizing their health, especially as we get into the workplace, just seeing that people are able to balance both prioritizing their health, but also probably going to work right after, and seeing that put into place is really encouraging.
It was so interesting. As mentioned, we got a tour of the facility, and some of the programs there were just looked phenomenal. Technology I'd never seen before with, weightless belts for walking on and water therapy and all sorts of stuff. It was just awesome to be able to see what the future holds for patients and just see how much Thibodaux cares for its population.
Well, thank you so much for joining us and sharing with us your experience. And we also want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Thibodaux Regional Health System, and being here at the Chef John Foles Culinary Institute at Nicholls.